Hey guys, Roger here, Muskrat Adventures. Let's go over a little bit of a quick tip for you. So, I'm getting things ready to go on the boat. I've got myself a nice mess. I'll swing it around here for you. Got some shad down here in the tank. Lively, healthy. In my extreme bait tank. But, now this is an older tank. To be honest with you, I haven't paid a whole lot of attention to the newer tanks because I can't afford one anyway. So this is, you know, one of the newer models, or later models, I'm sorry. So when it comes to getting the water out of it, you kind of just out of luck. Now there are ways to connect to the filter side, which I had done in the past. Trying to hurry here. Make a long video, but there are ways you can connect to the filter side here. The way the top of this tube comes off, I did upgrade mine to the filter socks. I did that myself. It's very simple plans, just PVC, pieces of PVC. I didn't buy the kit. I ordered I believe they're 200 micron filter socks, and the tubing, it's right on the Extreme site. They even give you the option to buy it, and they give you the option to make it yourself. That's pretty cool. Most places wouldn't do that. They just tell you you're on your own. So you can connect to the pipe down there and pump your water out. So keep this side clean. If you guys see any other video I did, I actually have the activated charcoal in this tank as well for the same reason. I just throw the charcoal in the bag and throw it in here and then let it do its thing. But we're getting ready to pump this water out, and so what I wanted to show you is for me pumping my water out, or having water for any reason, I made myself this all-purpose pump, which I just snapped the bottom off of it. But so what this pump is, it's just I call it a utility pump. I use it for several different things. Let's see if I can get this unwrapped real quick. All right, so all it is a pump. Now, for me, this is kind of emergency situation type pump. So I did go with focus there. Yeah, I can't get my focus to focus. I did go with a 1100 gallon per hour pump, so the pump moves a lot of water quick. I just hooked a hose up to it. This is just some extra hose I had here. I did put a float on it in case I drop it in the water or something, because you are dealing with water. And I just ran the wire off of it with a set of alligator clips. My favorite wire to use is vacuum cleaner wire. If you're throwing out a vacuum or you see one sitting out in the trash, cut the wire off of it. They're typically very long wires, and they're very flexible, which makes them easy to work with. So vacuum cleaner wires is what I like to use. But I'll kind of show you here real quick just how quick this thing works. I'm going to disconnect that there. Drop the pump down in the tank. Throw the end of the hose over the side of the boat. Take the clips. This is the one. This is the battery that I was using to run the pump, so we'll just use it to run the other pump. My wires are a hot mess. I'm still working on cleaning things and finalizing things. Now that pump's kicking out water, and it's kicking out a lot of water. You guys can kind of see that. It's moving water pretty quick. So here momentarily we'll have some low water I can get the fish out with, but I don't know, I kind of thought it was something to keep in the back of your mind. Having these pumps, if you have a bilge pump fail, you've got a pump, you can pump stuff out. If you've got a bait tank that is, your fish aren't doing well, you can pump the water out, pump fresh water back in. You know, it has several uses. I've used this, I made it up as an emergency type deal, and I've used it a lot more than I ever thought I would, for different reasons. So put that in your back pocket. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but it's super nice to have, just in case you need to move some water. Like I said, the 1100 gallon per hour pump moves a lot of water, but it is a bigger hose. That's an 1.25 inch hose, opposed to the smaller ones. Shoot, I don't remember what size those are. I can't remember if they're 5/8. I think they're 5/8. But anyway, I prefer the big one. I figure if I've got to use this, I'm wanting to move a lot of water fast, so I use the big one. So, all right. If anybody has any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if not, have a good one. Stay safe. Fish on.